Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I have shared the PDF of solved sample paper for periodic test 1 2026-27 CBSE class 8 Odisha Adarsh Vidyalay 2026-27 PT-1 examination sample questions with solution. Previous video रे यार केवल questions upload करा जायतिला. ए वीडियो रे यार solution original questions with solution explanation सहित upload करा जायछि. You can download this PDF from the description box below and from the comment section. Comment section किंबा description box रु यार link अछि, click करके याको download कर परियो एवं practice कर परियो. If you are new in our channel, please subscribe our channel and press on bell icon. To attend our online class, you can call us or send WhatsApp message. Our mobile number is 6372482818. A questions chapter number 1 A square A cube रू करा जायछि. A square and A cube mathematics गणित प्रकाश CBSE class 8 NCERT math. Thanks for watching.